Good afternoon. My name is Epafrodito Selan, and in this now I want to present my research proposal under the topic uh, descriptive study of using online games find word towards student vocabulary at SMP Negeri 6 Kupang. Chapter 1, Introduction, Background. In addition, students involved in the study admit that the English used in the game help them in completing their schoolwork. The ability of students to learn English can be caused by being familiar with the words and sentences displayed in the game in the form of clause and rules, so that players can complete the game. Therefore, this study was conducted to explore the effect of online games on vocabulary learning. The next is research problem. In the research problem, just one research problem. How does the online game find word improve student vocabulary? The next is aim of research. The aim of research to describe student improvement in using online games find word towards student vocabulary. Next is implication. This research is aimed to support the theory of Edwin 2009 said that word search will train student focus in identifying words with hidden in the puzzle, exercise student brain, and also help the student with the visual and hand-eye coordination in solving the puzzle. Application. In this research, there are three applications. The second one is the study can be used as a comparison and also support previous theory of research by using online games in order to know student vocabulary using online games. The next is the study could be used as a way to conduct or help English teacher in teaching English in more effective way. The last is the study can be a tool to guide the student how to learn English in enjoyable way, and also can help them to practice and to get better understanding about how to speak English in easy way. The next chapter 2, literature review, concept and theoretical framework. Literature review. The first is the influence of using word search puzzle game towards student vocabulary mastery at the first semester of the 8th grade of SMP Negeri 1 Ambarawa, Piring Sewu in the academic year of 2017 and 2018 by Ambiatul 2008. The next is the impact of online games on learning English vocabulary by Iranian Low Intermediate EFL learners 2004. The next is improving student vocabulary mastery through word search puzzle media at the 7th grade of SMP Negeri 2 Palopo by Nur Halima 2020. Sorry. This research has similar and difference with the previous study. The similar and the purpose of using online games, word search, puzzle media to determine the positive effect of online games on student English vocabulary skill. In addition, the second research also used the similar with the research, namely qualitative research method, while the difference is the first research used experimental method and the last used classroom action research. The next is concept. There are online games. The next is word search puzzle game. The next is student vocabulary, and the student vocabulary, and the last chapter is chapter 3, research methodology. The next is research design. Research design, the kind of research method that the researchers use in conducting this research is qualitative method. Research locus, the research in this research will conduct in SMP Negeri 6 Kupang, located on Jalan Melodi Nun Baundela, Alak Subdistrik Kota Kupang Regency, East Nusa Tenggara. Research instrument, the research instrument that used by the writer to know student vocabulary knowledge are interview and documentation. Research subject, in this research subject have a population and sample. The next is research procedure. The first, from the research procedure, the writer will observe the student. Next, the writer will give pre-test and post-test to student. The writer will analyze the data using descriptive qualitative method. The writer will report the result of the research. The writer will make conclusion from the result of the procession, the giving suggestion. The next is technique of data analysis. In this research, the research used descriptive qualitative technique in analyzing the data, in which the research described the effective of using online games find word towards student vocabulary during pandemic era or COVID-19, focusing its benefit. The data used is obtained from 20 questions that have been given to the student through the pre-test and post-test. The writer will summarize the answer from the questionnaire and analysis the data. That's all for all of my presentation, and thank you. Good afternoon.